Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working, guys, on the Chevy Cruze, and if you guys have a warning on the dash that tells you that the parking brake is on when actually your parking brake is not on, stay with us, guys. We'll explain what causes that and how to fix it. Quick introduction, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze, okay, electrical videos on Chevy Cruze on this channel, guys, and more than 200 videos, mechanical videos on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. Check it out, guys. We do all that, guys, all these videos, so we can save you guys, okay, we can save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to purchase any tools or parts, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get everything, guys, every part for a super good price. So let me explain what can cause that now. Let's say, guys, okay, that you start the car and you get a message on the dash that says parking brake is on, but actually your parking brake is off. So what causes that now, guys? Okay, pretty simple. We will need to, guys, remove the center console to get to the problem. And if you want to see how to remove the center console, check it out on Auto Repair, guys, our main channel. So we have the whole video that explains how to remove center console, and you can see all that. And this is your handbrake or parking brake, guys. Okay, right here you can see this is it. So what now, guys, causes, okay, the car to think, okay, that the parking brake is on when it's actually off. Okay, let me see. Now it's on. I'll put it down. It's off. So what causes that now, guys? Looking at the brake, on the side of the brake, okay, right there you have a switch with one wire, guys. That switch detects if the parking brake is on or off. Check out how it moves. Okay, right there. This is it, guys. So when it's on, the switch is released and it detects that and tells us, hey, parking brake is on, car starts beeping, it's annoying. When it's off, everything functions fine. So what can go bad? First, the switch can go bad, guys. Okay, they do break sometimes. Second, make sure the wire is not pinched somewhere or not disconnected. But in order to replace that switch now, what you need to do, you need to remove the passenger seat. Once you remove the passenger seat, there is one bolt, okay, this bolt right here, and that bolt can be accessed on the other side, okay, through here with the tool. Otherwise, okay, you won't be able to. I can feel it, but I cannot remove it, guys. So the only way to do that is to remove the passenger seat and get to it. And most cases, you can get the replacement switch, guys. We'll try to list the part number and where you can get it from in the description of the video below. Replace that and you will be ready to go. Now, if you guys need any other videos, guys, special videos, anything that you need help with on Chevy Cruze, guys, leave a comment below. That way we'll get an idea to make a video. Also, guys, we'll try to make it as soon as we can, so we can, guys, save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel for all the work we do. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.